Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Builderman in Roblox. Builderman is an iconic figure, often seen as a symbol of the platform's early days and development. Achieving his distinct look is simpler than you might think, involving just a few key items from the Roblox catalog. We'll go through each step, ensuring your avatar perfectly embodies this legendary character. Get ready to transform your Roblox identity. To start your Builderman transformation, the very first step is to secure his signature clothing. Head over to the avatar shop and search for Builderman's shirt. Once you have that, immediately look for Builderman's pants. These two pieces are absolutely essential and form the bedrock of his entire appearance. Without them, your Builderman won't be truly authentic, so make sure to grab both. With the core clothing in place, it's time to focus on the finer details that truly bring Builderman to life. You'll want to equip the Builderman's hard hat for that unmistakable developer look. For his friendly demeanor, select the smile face from the avatar customization options. Finally, to ensure the correct body proportions, consider applying the classic male body package. These elements are key to an accurate portrayal. Now for the final touches to perfect your Builderman avatar. Head to the skin tone section and select a vibrant, bright yellow to match his iconic hue. Once everything is just right, make sure to save your new Builderman look as an outfit. This allows you to switch to him effortlessly whenever you wish. Congratulations, you've successfully created your very own Builderman and are ready to inspire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.